Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's DJ Mo D here from What You Say Radio. Appreciate y'all tuning in, locking it in. As always, please go ahead, hit that like button, share the page, share the video, share this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Helps the channel grow. I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all had a great Saturday. In this video, we are going to discuss the crypto market, and kind of what happened yesterday, and kind of do a little recap. As you know or may not know, that over $19 billion in cryptocurrency had been liquidated yesterday, and it was one of the largest, if not the largest, single day wipeout in history of crypto. And so again, in this video, what we're going to do is kind of break down why the crash happened, how it affected Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVAX. I mean, pretty much all the crypto coins. But on here, we're going to talk mainly about our favorite coins such as AVAX, Chainlink, SUI, Ondo, and others. All right. So with that being said, let's get right into it. You know what we do? We go into coinmarketcap.com, where we look at our crypto. And again, remember, anything I discuss in this video is only for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any stocks or crypto. And so, with that being said, let's get into it. You do with this information what you will. All right. We'll look at our market cap again. As you know, we were well over $4 trillion yesterday, down 3.75 trillion today, or as of right now. The fear and greed index, when I was on yesterday or last night, let's say last night, the fear and greed index was near the in the yellow. Um, it hadn't dropped dramatically. However, everything was like going crazy, like because there was a moment where, for like a half an hour, um, markets prices weren't matching up. Just like I was here in coinmarketcap.com, it wasn't matching up what was in Coinbase, what was up, what was the selling prices or buying prices in Robinhood. So everything went crazy yesterday. So now that everything has had, a 24-hour time to really cool off, I think everything's back to normal as far as prices and data and information that we're looking at. So again, the fear and greed index right now is 35 in the orange, which is fear. The RSI is at 30 right now, which is oversold, rightfully so, with all the selling that took place yesterday. It's at 30.56. All right, let's go down here and look at our favorite coins, and you got to start with Bitcoin, which is currently at 111,000 per coin. It had dipped as low as 107 yesterday during the crash. Ethereum got down to 37, and it's still there. It's still hovering around the 37. Hasn't got back over 4,000, because we were at 4,300 before the crash. So not too bad of a fall for Ethereum. Of course, Bitcoin took a dramatic drop of over about $10,000. So that is a little dramatic for Bitcoin. XRP fell all the way down to $2.40. That's where it's at right now. Solana 177. Again, it was over 200 bucks yesterday before the crash. Dogecoin at 18 cents. We got Cardano, man. Cardano is still 65 cents. I think it got as low as 55 yesterday. And so Cardano is right here. 65 cents is a great buy, a great opportunity to load up on some ADA if you are interested in getting it. Chainlink is at $18 right now. Some sources have said that Chainlink got as low as $8. I didn't see that anywhere, but they said on some exchanges that it did get down to $8. If somebody got at Chainlink at $8, man, good on you. I hope you bought plenty of it, because That was more than a steal. That was a heist right there. If you got it at $8 on one of those exchanges. But as you can see, it's recovered back up to $18. We were in the $22, $23 range before the crash with Chainlink. Sui is at $2.68 right now. AVAX Avalanche was around the 29 area, $29 area before the crash. It's currently at 22. I think it got down to like about 18 bucks. So it's recovering here quite nicely at $23. Hedera H bar 17 cents. It was around the 23 cents before the market crypto crash yesterday. Let's take a look at BitTensor Tau. Man, back under that 300. Tau, TAO BitTensor was pushing up to $400 yesterday. Like it was at not 392 the last I seen it yesterday before the sell-off. It was almost $400 and it got all the way back below 200 300 bucks. So 298 right now is, hey, in some eyes it might be real expensive, but in the long run, getting some BitTensor Tau TAO right now at 298, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, is a steal. So we got Ondo, the last one, our last coin on our watch list. It's currently at 71 cents. Man, you talk about some cheap Ondo right now, very cheap, 71 cents, right? Before the crash yesterday, I think we were in the 93, 94 cent range with Ondo, so it's down over 20 some cents. So you get Ondo at 71 cents right now. Hey, you're looking pretty good. Let's take a look at one of the main things. And when I came on yesterday, not having all the information, but having the information that I did have at the time, the way things were going, it seemed like it was because that this fall, this crash, this bloodbath took place was because President Trump had came on and announced that he was going to do 100% tariffs on China starting November 1st if they didn't get a resolution, right? Because earlier this year they had put in basically a few month resolution or what have you as far as the tariffs go, but they never finalized the deal. So it was believed, in my opinion, that's why the markets collapsed. But if you look at this article here, after doing some more research, there was a whale who actually went in and opened a Bitcoin short just 30 minutes before Trump's tariff announcement and closed, and that person closed with a $88 million in profit. So in 30 minutes, man, they made $88 million. Is that not crazy or what? And so this person wasn't the only one. There was a lot of other people that probably knew this information as well. And when I say other people, I'm talking allegedly, higher institutions, maybe people in the political arena, etc., that knew this information. They knew what President Trump was going to announce, and they were able to capitalize basically off of this. Whereas the little man, we don't get that information like that to make moves in advance. And so again, this is alleged, man, but this is part of the reason that the crypto bloodbath took place yesterday. And again, if you look at this by Watch Guru, they posted just in $19 billion, not million, $19 billion was liquidated from the crypto market yesterday. Crazy, making that the largest liquidation ever in the crypto market. And so everybody, if you're in the crypto market, if you investing in crypto, All of our portfolios were down yesterday. Some maybe a little, some people maybe lost a lot. Some people might have lost thousands and thousands of dollars. Some people lost, I'm sure, millions and millions of dollars. And let me rephrase that. I'm not going to say lost. I'm going to say their portfolio went down because you don't lose when you're investing in crypto or stocks until you actually sell. Don't make money, you don't lose money until you actually sell. So if you're still holding on to those stocks or the crypto during the bloodbath yesterday, yeah, your portfolio's down. Will it rebound? I can't guarantee it, but the evidence that's out there with the crypto market, all the good things that are happening in the crypto space, all the good news that is flowing into the crypto space, all the regulation, all the laws that are coming into place for crypto, all this, uh, again, evidence that supports the crypto market says that this thing, to me, has to turn around. Now, again, this is not advice. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, sell, trade. I'm not telling you, hold on and this is going to happen. I can't guarantee it. I cannot guarantee it. Nobody can guarantee it. But I can tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to hold on. I'm hodling, as they say, HODL, hold on for dear life, because I think better days are ahead. And if you think better days are ahead, you got to make your decision. If you feel like that the crash is here, or that we're in a or crypto winter again, and the bull market is not around the corner, it's going to be a while, and you decide you got to take your money, take your losses, and basically bail because you need that money, then that's what you got to do. You got to do what's best for you and your family, just like I got to do what's best for me and my family. And so I will leave it there. But let me know what you guys think about the crypto crash that went on yesterday. Let me know if you're in this to win it, if you're here to stay, or if you're gonna take a break from it and just walk away and not deal with the stress. Again, that's your decision. But let me know in the comments. Again, make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the page. Help me grow. And I will keep y'all informed as the information comes in the best I can. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. This is DJ Mo D. I'm signing out. Peace. What you say?